The SI program is peer facilitated learning. So SI leaders go into class and they're like everybody else. So there's no difference between an SI leader and a student. They could easily just come up to an SI leader and talk to them about their problems and help each other out throughout the class.
SI is not tutoring and it's not a teacher's assistant. What it is I am going to represent the material to you that the teacher presented in class for better understanding.
One of the most beneficial aspects of having an SI leader in class is that they attend lecture every day. They know the class requirements, the teaching methods, and the students' needs.
The SI program is beneficial to students in a way that they get to know their SI leader. They're there for, depending if it's a regular semester, they're there for 4 months. We're there in the classroom with them. We get to know them. We get to know what they need in a sense academically. Like, okay, well maybe this student doesn't understand it this way. Maybe they're visual learners, maybe they're kinesthetic learners, and I think we could offer that for them.
SI is beneficial for students because it offers a collaborative learning technique. What I can do in the class is I can put 2 students together, one who knows more about the material presented in class and one who might be struggling or might just not have the foundations. And by putting these 2 students together, they can work together, and because they both have different perspectives of what they are learning, they can help one another. And so even the one who might know more might learn something.
That first look of someone that's got it in an SI session, that aha moment, that they've understood it, and even better when they try to teach it to somebody else, then you know that you've done a great job.
One of the reasons that I wanted to become an SI leader is because I wanted the experience to teach ESL in Japan, and I thought it would be imperative to see different teaching styles.
I wanted to become an SI leader so I could help students as much as possible get through their classes.
And my main goal is to become a math teacher. So SIing would help me establish a greater foundation to the arithmetic that comes to college algebra.
I wanted to become an SI leader because I've always wanted to help people. People that are having difficulties in classes, because I know exactly how it feels like to feel hopeless.
Being an SI leader has helped me to improve my organizational leadership and time management skills, and this is something that I can take with me to any other job.
I have learned several things working with the students, working here at the SI lab. I've been able to become more outspoken. I became more able to explain my knowledge towards the students in a way that's effective to them. I've been able to diverse myself to if a single student needs my help or a whole group needs my help.
Yes, become an SI leader. It's a great experience. You're never going to regret it. So, yeah, SI wants you.